Welcome to our video tutorial. Today we'll guide you through a step-by-step process for creating an Eventora account and an event fast and easy. This tutorial will be divided into two parts. First, we will learn how to create an account on our platform. And then we will see how to easily create an event with just a few steps. So let's get started. First, open Eventora.com and click on Sign Up on the top right. Enter your corporate email and press Next. Here you can enter your full name and a password. Once you are done, accept the terms and click Sign Up. A verification email will be sent to you, so just enter the 6-digit code and you are all set. Okay, we have created an account. Now let's see how to easily create an event with just a few steps. Select Manage Events and click the Create Event button. Choose your event's language. You can select more than one. And press Next. On this page, you can fill in the details of your event, including the event's name. A URL address is automatically generated. If you wish to change it, do so now, as you will not be able to change it later. Edit the date and time of the event. Select a time zone and a category. You can upload an image for your event and add a description if you wish. Include your event's location by typing the venue or address in the bar at the top of the map. The fields will be filled in automatically. If you wish to edit the fields, you can do so. Or you can enable the Online Event button if your event is fully online. Once you are finished filling in all the details, click on Save. Now that your event is set, click on Event or go to Event, set up Event Info to view and edit the details of your event. So, now you have created an Eventora account and an event fast and easy through our platform. Thank you for watching and be sure to check our guides for more tips.